QNT supply is low. Whales are buying, and so am I, because this is another episode of Sunday Buys where we buy crypto every single Sunday. And today we're spending $200 on QNT. Let me know if you hold QNT by leaving a like on the video, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so according to sentiment.net, supply held by top exchanges for QNT is nearing all-time lows. What does this mean? Well, in a previous video, we spoke about an alternate scenario where QNT went to all-time high. You would be incentivized to sell, to transfer that from your cold wallet to an exchange, which would increase the supply on exchanges. Let's switch to another scenario, the scenario right now where prices are low, where people are actually buying on exchanges and transfer away to their cold wallet, therefore decreasing the supply on exchanges. And that's a very good indicator that it's a good time to buy. And also, according to the data, we can see huge spikes above the $1 million price points and above the $100,000 price points with QNT. In terms of the all holders of QNT, we can see huge growth in the month of August, nearly growing 1,300. In terms of price action, we can see a tweet here saying QNT is a stablecoin, and that person is right. It is sideways trading, and that's what you want when you're dollar cost averaging into the market. Now onto the Sunday buys portfolio, we can see it is worth $2,557, and QNT being the biggest hold, we have 6.8 QNT. And in the scheme of things, on the outdated rich list holdings, we are the lobster positions. And now on to the exchange. KuCoin, $200 worth of QNT. Hit the buy button, and now it is finally bought. Now the order's gone through. Now onto the portfolio, $2,772, and we have 8.8 QNT. Still a lobster, but the goal by the end of the year is to be a turtle at that position. And now that I've bought QNT and all the cryptos on the channel with the Sunday Buy series, I send it away to my cold wallet. Now I want to show you something very quickly. Stay with me here. I'm on the second page of Coin Market Cap, and I want to click a random crypto. You have to trust me. I'm clicking a random one here. Let's go for Convex Finance. So that's CVX, Convex Finance. Let's go in Ledger, supported coins. Let's see if it is there. So CVX. Is it supported by Ledger Live? No, it is not. Let's go on Decent Hardware Cold Wallet. So CVX, it is supported. That is the thing about Decent. Majority of cryptos are supported on the wallet. And if you're diversified between 5 cryptos and one of them is not supported on Ledger, what are you going to do? You can't keep that on exchange. You have to have them all on cold storage, especially with lower cap cryptos. If you're planning to rotate the profits to bigger holds, your safer bets like QNT, you need them on the cold wallet. So a good thing is I have discount links in the description below. Go and check them out. So now that we've established QNT supply is low on exchanges, it is a great buy at the moment. Whales are buying also, and I've bought. Let's go into some news that might get us excited about our future of the investment. So Quant appoints head of divisional sales. We can see Karat, previous experience. So she has worked at Finastra for 3 years. We can see project manager at Santander UK. Accutenture, we have McLagan, and we also have Citibank, and we have Google Online Private Limited. This is over the course of 15 years. And we know Quant hire the best of the best. Some team members shown on screen. We can also see the managing directors. Guy Dietrich, for example, working at Rockefeller Management. Also Neil Smith working at Comcast Corporation. Also, 2 weeks ago, patent filed for chronologically ordering blockchain transactions. So that's the US. We have Japan. Next should be China, and then the WIPO. And lastly, a clip from the Internet Engineering Task Force, a little clip of the whole video that they have on the YouTube. I will leave it linked down below. We know the Overledger is a chosen infrastructure for anything interoperability, including multi-CBDCs. Hope you enjoyed that video, but that's pretty much it for today's video. If you found this one was quite short, I have a video linked right here in the top right corner where you can see how much QNT you need for the next bull run, and the answer will probably shock you as it's not a specific answer. It is more of a template to follow. Go and check that video out. But if you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like down below, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.
Quick answer to that is the quant guys, and I'll speak loosely on behalf of the quant guys. Claire, please beat me up if I say something wrong. but they've shown an actual working demo where there is a network that connects up to a CBDC network to do the payments and settlement, but the actual asset exchange is on a different token network, right? So the CBDC is used only for settlement.